Welcome to Lecture 2 of Startup Engineering. I'm your instructor, Balaji Srinivasan, and today we're going to learn how to set up a basic website on Heroku, and you're also going to learn how to do development on Amazon and push code and pull code from GitHub and do a few other things besides. Without further ado, let's just jump in. So, as I mentioned, our goal is to get you set up with a basic development environment and get a simple page online by following the following steps. So you're going to set up Google Chrome in your terminal and sign up for a bunch of web service accounts. You're going to initialize and then connect to an Amazon Web Services or AWS cloud instance. And then you're going to clone code from this repository, create a new Heroku app, and get your page live on the web as shown in Figure 1. So this is basically the goal of your lecture today. You should be able to kind of step through, and as you kind of watch me, you can execute some of the commands on your own end of things, and this is your kind of final goal. Now, as for how all these services, these web services that I mentioned over here, how they all fit together, if you look at Figure 2, this gives a sort of a good illustration, right? Essentially, starting from the bottom, you are running your own laptop. You're going to be launching a terminal or Cygwin window, terminal.app on OS X or Cygwin on Windows. You're going to be running SSH, and with SSH you're going to connect to a T1 micro instance. And the reason that I've kind of structured it like this, where it's like a slice out of a cube, is that the way that Amazon works is a single server is virtualized into many little chunks like this. Each of which is running its own, semi-independent operating system. That's called virtualization. This T1 micro virtual machine is what you're actually connected to. And this is kind of where you're going to be running all your commands. In particular, one of the things you're going to do is you're going to pull code down from GitHub over here. You're going to mess around with it a little bit, and then you're going to push it to Heroku. And then you're going to have an end user browse to your app.herokuapp.com. And this is sort of the kind of protocol for how you develop over here, and you'll kind of pull and push or push and pull code back and forth like so. And then when you're ready, you will deploy to Heroku, and then someone can look at the code over here. So this is sort of the development flow that we're going to be setting up. In addition, we will talk about, this is very simple. You'll set up Google Chrome, and in the next lecture, we will talk about how to set up a command line interface so that you can type in and control the computer purely by typing.